In this video, I am going to show you how I made $800 after writing 4 step-by-step tutorials about a very simple and easy to use tool. Here you can see my author page at sidepoint.com. My first article, my second article, and you can see these 4 articles. Faster Workflow Mastering Emmet, Part 1, Part 2, Part 3 and Part 4. Emmet is a very simple and easy to use plugin which makes it very simple and easy to write code. And web developer can use this plugin to save their time. I was using this plugin for a long time, so I decided to write about Emmet. I wrote everything in detail and it was a complete series about Emmet. I wrote 4 tutorials. And as we discussed earlier, SidePoint pays $200 for a tutorial. And for these 4 tutorials, I was paid $800. You can see that I was just sharing my knowledge and experience. So if you are learning something, you just need to share your experience and knowledge with others. You need to teach people how to do something, and you will be able to make money writing articles online. I will also show you how you can make money after watching YouTube videos.